Hello. Today we're going to finish mounting the bottom on this tray and finishing the top side of this tray. This is the left tray. And hopefully I have time to do the right tray also today. Get all the wood done today. That'll be my goal. So watch. I put the slides on the bottom of the tray, the same spacing I had on the drawer, right on the edges. But this tray is wider than the drawers, so I had to move the slides on the left side in just a little bit, and in doing that the nails are now sticking through to the inside of the drawer. So I'm going to use my rotary cut-off tool, battery operated Ryobi, and I'll cut the nails that are sticking through the inside of the drawer. I'll cut those off. Next I'm going to cut some plywood to put on top of the drawer. The solar panels are going to, those 5 solar panels will be stored inside this drawer right here. So I'm going to put a top on here, and then above the solar panels, the solar cooker will be sitting on top of the plywood that I put on here. So, and then there'll still be some room left on top of the truck if I need to put anything else up above that. But that's what I'm going to work on next. Now that I got the left tray done, I'm going to start making the right tray.